Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. On today's video, we're going to be showing you how to DIY a quinceañera bouquet. Let's get started.
Our first step, we will get rid of this greenery. Next, we're going to trim these ends just to make it easier to work with. Next up, we're going to take our tool, cut a couple of sheets, and roll them up into little cones. Using our tool and our little gems, we will make a little bouquet. Once complete, we will place our little gem bouquet right in between the two florals. To keep everything in place, we will use our floral tape. To add some volume to our bouquet, we will add a couple of our tool cones. For some visual texture, we will add a couple of those stems that we have. Remember to use your floral tape every couple of steps to keep everything in place. We will need to make some room for the roses, so we will need to cut a couple of these off. You're probably thinking, why would I do that, right? Well, a couple reasons. We need to keep the shape as round as possible. And also, don't worry, we will be using the cut up pieces as fillers later. Now to make another little gem bouquet, but we will be using both the purple and the clear. Once you're satisfied with the look, time to fill in these gaps with the roses. Once more, secure them with your floral tape. Looking good so far. Now for our pearly white gems to break down the colors a bit. Here come those pieces that we cut off. Every space where you see that it's a little flat or needs a little more color, that's where we're gonna glue them. We're going to keep adding some more volume using the tool and the gems. We're going to add some more of these little stems here and there, just to add a little more pop of color and texture. Once you're satisfied with the volume and the look of your bouquet, you can make a whole bunch of your little tulle cones and start gluing them all the way around. Now to shorten the stems, make sure they're all even. Here's the ribbon that I forgot to show you guys in the first clips. We will use the thicker one for the bottom and then the thinner one to wrap the bouquet. Starting with our thinner ribbon, we're going to start from the bottom just to make it nice and tight. Make sure to glue down your ribbon. Once secure, we're going to take that little piece we cut off of the thicker ribbon and cover the bottom. And now for the fun part. Let's wrap the rest of this bouquet. Make sure to twist and glue every couple of steps. Now for some finishing touches, I noticed a couple more of flat spots, so we're going to use the little flowers again. Now to add some more bedazzle, we're going to decorate the bottom. I picked these gems because I thought they resembled water drops. Thought it'd be cute to add them to the roses. Now for the big reveal. Ready? Not bad for my first time.
Well guys, that is all we have for you today. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like, hit that subscribe. Stay tuned for the next ones. Bye.